Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the option Device Care. Let's tap. As you can see here we've got something called App Protection, so let's tap on it and tap on Turn On. Tap on Turn On, and even though we've got the information that no threats has been found, I highly recommend to tap on Scan Phone. And here now your device will scan itself. I mean, basically it will scan the apps in order to find any kind of malware, viruses, any kind of problems, and after that it will show you the results. If everything is alright, it will show you that it is alright, but if it will find any kind of problems, it will show you relevant information, and it will also show you the way to get rid of the problems. And fortunately, in my case, no threats has been detected. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.